An update from the courtroom today on the case involving a social media personality accused of killing a Baton Rouge therapist.
Ethan Tuttle explains the suspect's attorney wants to make sure he's mentally fit.
You can't rush to judgment. You have to review these things in order to make proper moves.
21-year-old Terrion Thomas's defense attorney, Stephen Sterling III, taking a 30,000-foot view of what comes next for his client, who's accused of first-degree murder.
I'm bipolar. Yeah. Y'all never seen anybody that's bipolar before?
A motion for a competency hearing was granted today in the 19th JDC. If you remember, Thomas is a well-known TikTok star with millions of followers who pled not guilty in January to the 2024 murder of Baton Rouge therapist Nick Abraham. Thomas's attorney says he wants to make sure his client is evaluated now rather than months later in the heat of a possible trial.
I want to make sure that there's no insanity issues or competency issues for him to understand. And if there are, let's address it and make sure we're doing the right thing.
Thomas will meet with 2 medical professionals and be evaluated. His next date to be in court is January 28th. It's a case that's been slow moving, but Sterling says there's a reason for that.
Because there's so much information, that's why it's still ongoing.
At a previous hearing, lawyers were discussing a mountain of digital evidence to the tune of 1 terabyte. That number may have increased since then, leaving more digging to be done.
Investigation reports, those sorts of things that all need to be reviewed on both sides.
Ethan Tuttle, WAFB 9 News.
If you'll remember, he was arrested in Dallas last year after fleeing the state.
He was denied bond back in July.